I wanted to talk about what questions you should ask when hiring an attorney for a car accident. You know, many people are in an accident for the first time. They're injured. They're going through a stressful time, and now they have to decide who to represent them. And there's a lot of personal injury attorneys out there, and you want to know who your attorney is and what kind of result they're going to get. So some of the more detailed questions that you could get into are things like, what is your caseload? Because if an attorney has a very high caseload, that means you're not going to get very much personal attention. Ask them questions like, who's going to be handling my case primarily? Is it going to be legal assistants and paralegals, and you only meet with the attorney once, or you only get to talk to the attorney once? You don't have their email or cell phone or anything like that. You'd want to know about that information too. You also may want to know what kind of cases they specialize in. Some attorneys have specializations in certain types of injury cases. And if they're not very familiar with your type of case, you may want to talk to other attorneys. And then you want to know what their fee structure is and what their percentage is and how that all gets break down, and how they keep track of their time. Because they may have a percentage and settle your claim very quickly. So are they going to be able to justify their fees? And you know, many attorneys, including myself, will always do a look back to make sure that we have the amount of hours that we put in were justifiable for the fees that we take. So there's a lot. Those are just a few pointers that you can ask your attorney or when you're interviewing, to get a good feel for what kind of firm they are and what kind of attorney you may be hiring.